All Alabama Gardener. In this video, I'm talking about how to roast, peel, and prepare green chilies. Folks, I have been wanting to make a video for you on how I make a really delicious dish called rotel. And here's a jar of it that I made just a couple days ago. Basically, it's a mixture of some tomatoes, onions, some green chilies, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of salt, pretty much it. The key ingredient in here to me is the green chilies. That's what gives it the flavor. So now the green chilies are those large chilies. They're usually about 6 or 8 inches long, usually about that big around maybe. And the most famous of those are the ones from Hatch, New Mexico. And they're naturally called Hatch green chilies. But you know, the Anaheim pepper is the same thing. It's just that it is not grown in Hatch, New Mexico. Now, but before I can make this rotel for you, I need to prepare some green chilies by removing the skin and the seeds. And we're going to give it a little bit of a roasted flavor. And we're going to chop it up in a small chop. Now you might ask, why is it important to remove the skin? And the answer is because it's tough. These are big chilies. They're about this long. And the skin is actually quite tough. And sometimes it might even be bitter. So we got to get rid of the skin. We want to get rid of the seeds. Personally, I don't care for the seeds. So this video that we're talking about right now is going to be how I roast, peel, and prepare the green chilies to be used in this recipe right here. And we'll make a different video on this one. What I've done here is take my barbecue grill apart and put the grate right down on the burner so I can get the flames right on the peppers. I'm doing this because it is the flames and not the heat that's going to roast our pepper. Now don't worry that it looks black and burned, because after a while, when we go in the house with it and I start to clean it up, you'll see how all that comes right off. Now this is what you want. You want it kind of blackened all over, or blistered. Some people call it blistered. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the skin come off. Now it's time to remove the seeds. Now I am ready to slice it lengthwise, small narrow strips, and then dice it crosswise into little chunks. Now you might say, well, that's an awful lot of work, takes quite a bit of time to roast and clean the peppers. Why don't you just go to the store and buy a can of already roasted and peeled chilies? And my answer is because I don't want food that's been sprayed with Roundup. And that's what most food you're getting at the store these days is. And I don't want Roundup on any food that I'm going to eat.